Welcome to Techcast episode 4, presented by Mismo Systems, where we will delve into the world of enterprise IT solutions. I am your host Vineet Arora, and in today's episode, we are going to explore the critical topic of setting up high availability and disaster recovery for enterprise applications. High availability and disaster recovery are essential components of any robust IT infrastructure, ensuring business continuity and minimizing downtime. To start off, let me briefly explain what high availability and disaster recovery entail in context of enterprise applications. High availability refers to the design and implementation of systems and processes that ensure continuous operations of critical applications with no downtime. This involves eliminating single points of failure by deploying redundant components such as servers, networks, storage, and implementing automated failover mechanism to switch to backup systems seamlessly. Disaster recovery, on the other hand, focuses on the ability to recover from catastrophic events or disasters that could disrupt business operations. This includes strategies for data backups, replications, and recovery, as well as establishing secondary data centers or cloud environments to resume operations in the event of a disaster. You may ask why high availability and disaster recovery are so important for enterprise applications. Enterprise applications often serve as backbone of business operations, supporting functions such as customer relationship management, financial transactions, and supply chain management. Any disruption to these applications can have a significant financial and reputational consequences for the organizations. High availability and disaster recovery help mitigate these risks by ensuring that critical applications remain accessible and functional even in the face of hardware failures, network outages, or natural disasters. By proactively planning for and mitigating potential disruptions, organizations can maintain business continuity and minimize the impact of downtime on their operations. Now, let's figure out what some of the best practices are for setting up high availability and disaster recovery for enterprise applications. Number 1. Identify critical applications. Start by identifying which applications are essentials for business operations and prioritize them for HA and DR implementation. Number 2. Assess risks. Understand potential threats and vulnerabilities that could impact your applications, such as hardware failures, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. Number 3. Define RTO and RPO. Determine the acceptable recovery time objective and recovery point objective for each application, guiding your HA and DR strategies. Implement redundancy. Deploy redundant components and systems to eliminate single points of failure and ensure continuous operations of critical applications. Automate failover and recovery. Configure automated failover mechanisms to detect and respond to failures quickly and minimizing downtime and manual intervention. Backup and replications. Establish robust backup and replication processes to protect data and application configurations, enabling swift recovery in the event of a disaster. Test and maintain. Regularly test your HA and DR systems to ensure they function as expected and keep them up to date with the latest patches and upgrades. When it comes to implementing best practice, identify a partner who has real-world experience of designing and implementing high availability and disaster recovery for enterprise applications. We at Mismo Systems are fortunate enough to get the opportunity to do this for some of our enterprise clients. We use technologies that offer a minimum RPO and RTO, enables us to do failover testing without impacting the productions, and are cost efficient. We use our experience and power of these technologies to design a robust high availability and disaster recovery strategy for our enterprise applications. We perform proactive monitoring, maintenance, and restore drills to ensure that solution remains up to date and works when needed. We do all this while ensuring adherence to industry best regulatory practices and compliance standards to safeguard your sensitive information. As we wrap up today's episode, I would like to thank all of our listeners for joining us, and I hope I have been able to provide a few insights into setting up high availability and disaster recovery for enterprise applications. Thank you for tuning into Techcast presented by Mismo Systems. Be sure to like and follow for more episodes. And until next time, stay connected and stay secure.